Okay, here's the bias board on the Tec Hercules 444 amplifier circa 1980 something. This is supposedly the first amateur radio linear amplifier capable of 600 watts being a solid state. Anyway, I've been working this thing on and off for about a month now. I've had it for sale, but there's no takers, and I've been trying to actually break even on what I paid for the damn thing. But anyway, so I've been working on this bias board, and all I did really here was install some sockets. You'll see some red and supposedly auget sockets that I've installed. And I bought some ICs here, which I put in two of those. Those are the voltage regulation ICs that make this thing go. You can see those are right there. I didn't kill myself studying the circuit, but anyway, to make this thing go, you put 12 volts into it. I have 12 volts going into it from the power supply on the Alexa A word there that I'm not using right now, and you can energize this thing by clipping this lead here called something switch control. It's called control, I guess. So I'll add 12 volts here to control lead, and that will turn on the system here and get it regulating like that. All right, and then we can probe the output. So the center pins on these things are the output for the left amplifier board and the right amplifier board. And so you can see the path transistor there going to pin the middle pin. So if I probe the middle pin on this one here, I'm getting 1.3 volts. If I probe the other one here, I'm getting 1.3 volts, which is what I want. So I've never had that work before on both of these. So I think this thing is ready to go back into the amplifier, and we'll see how it plays. So that's my little update on the, that's my update on, now it's gone to 7.11. I'm thinking I got a background here somewhere. I'm gonna put it in here and see how it works. Okay, thanks for watching, have a great day.